In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear washer nozzle on this VW Jetta Wagon. Let's get into it. On the rear wiper arm, we're going to remove this cover. Just grab underneath, and you have to pull it out a little bit and just pry up. You really can't pry anything against the glass. If you want to very carefully, you could take a trim tool that's plastic, but just be careful, you don't want to break the glass. And we'll pull the arm up a little bit and just slide this piece out. It just pulls off like that. Using pliers, just carefully grab the end of the nozzle, just rock it back and forth, and it pulls right out. Now take the new nozzle. You want to make sure it's pointing upwards. Line that up and just push it in. Just make sure the nozzle is all the way down. That's good. Now we can put the cover on. Line this side up first over here. Pull the blade up. Rock it in there. And then push it down. After you're done, feel free to test it out and make sure it's lined up properly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.